Yep. Everybody, Virginia Rail fan here coming from Petersburg, Virginia. It looks like we got Amtrak 92 coming in northbound to the station. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. And this is 92 to Silver Star.
We can depart.
Well, everybody, 92 never picked anybody up, but they're departing now.
That was a fast pickup.
Yeah, you ain't lying. That's the first time I've ever seen them stop here and not pick anybody up. They could have kept right on rolling. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video of Amtrak 92 to Silver Star, arriving and departing Petersburg. Thank you for watching. See you down the rails.